Welcome again, everybody. So the BMW got a new part. I'm gonna upgrade the steering wheel. Got the package last night, so I'm gonna do the installation and show you guys the before and after and let you guys know what I think about it. Here we go. This is the steering wheel before. As you can see, after a while it does tend to fade in color. The leather would tend to fade in color, so I didn't like that. Plus I wanted a bit more accessory. I could upgrade the steering wheel, but I don't see the point right now. Maybe if later in the future I'll upgrade it and get the M steering wheel. Who knows? But let's show you the mod. Alright, so this is the unboxing of the part. So let's get to it. The material feels good. Feels strong. So it's supposed to be like, let me see where. Okay, so I guess this is what we're gonna use to tuck it in to get a perfect fit. And this is a threading it comes with, and I'm going to thread it on. Okay, so I guess these are the sides. Okay, yeah, so these are the sides. So it's basically something like this. Well, let's get into the video.
Them know we rough, them know we terrible, them know we run the planet, so no energy me no give them. Money no fuck, we lavish, we no joke, we no pretend. She say come in a daddy, want you share the fuck with my friend. Father God no ram for me, call heap a blessing descend. Me never fuck for mine, me work for mine, so know we different. Money dep on the line, I run a joke till after he send.
So this is the outcome of the steering wheel. It really feels good. The leather do feel good quality. Yeah, I like how it turned out. It gave the car a lot more color to it, if I would say. So yeah. And last time you guys saw, I did change my paddle shifters. I upgraded it. It's a way better quality paddle shifter, so I can tell you that. It feels a lot better. But yeah, I love how it came out. I love the blue accent to it. And that's it for the video today. I just want you guys to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching. Until the next one.